So you've got a lot of hungry campers and you don't want to spend a lot of time making dinner. I've got just the thing. Hi, I'm Holly with Let's Go Now Adventures. Thanks for joining me today. We've been out in the sun all day. We're tired, we're hungry, so I'm going to show you a quick way to put some sandwiches together, wrap them up in tin foil, throw them in the coals, and dinner is done. So here you go. Today we're going to be making just ham and Swiss. You can put it on a croissant, you could put it on a hamburger bun, whatever you have. It's quick, it comes together easy, and once you wrap it up, put it in the coals and you've got dinner ready. So to start, we've just got some honey ham, just some deli honey ham, some Swiss cheese. I've got regular mustard if you prefer, or what I love is the Dijon on these. Now, I do have some hamburger buns, or I've got croissants. The thing is, it's whatever you have that's gonna come together quick and easy. If there were any one secret to these, it would be to just lay the cheese down first on each side of the bun or the croissant. So we're going to go ahead and layer the cheese on both sides. Okay, looking good. I say the more cheese the better. It gets all melty and gooey and yummy. Okay, so there's our croissant. Let's go ahead and add some turkey. Now the nice thing with these, you could use turkey, pepper jack, you know, whatever your group likes. I say just get a whole bunch of different meats and cheeses, and then you can custom it to whatever sounds good to your group. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put some Dijon right in the middle. Okay, so we've got the sandwiches assembled. It's so easy. Now let's go ahead and wrap them with foil. Now, when you're making tinfoil dinners, it's really important to use the heavy-duty aluminum foil and wrap it twice. That way you ensure, or at least have less chance of your dinners burning. So I'm going to take a little bit of cooking spray and spray it real good. I'm just going to go ahead and cook these two together. Now, one thing with tinfoil dinners that I like to do is go up meat in the middle, then fold it down. Good, make a nice seal, and then fold those edges up. Okay, so we've got that wrapped nice and good. Let's go ahead and do a second one. Just gonna flip that over, meat in the middle, roll these down. Give it a nice press and wrap up those edges. Now John is getting the coals ready so we can throw these sandwiches in the coals, and I'll show you how they turn out. For a starting point for us, we start out and we cook them on one side for 2 minutes and then flip them over for 2 minutes, and then we pull them out and do a quick check. You know, you want to make it so that the buns get a little bit toasty and the cheese melts, but you know, within seconds those tinfoil sandwiches can burn. Oh, you can tell it's ooey gooey and cheesy. So there you have it. Quick, easy, and delicious. We'll see you on the next adventure. Perfect.